grow and learn from. I learn from. You learn from listening. We all learn from. Anyways, me and Dylan had spent the last week together.
Binabati ko muna yung mama ko,
Ganda niya.
papa ko, yung tropa ko.